Today we are going to see chapter 3 expansion exercise 3.2. Okay. Next exercise. The next question is question number 12. The question here is if x square plus y square equals 34 and xy equals 10 1 by 2, we are supposed to find the value of 2 of x plus y the whole square plus x minus y the whole square. Okay. So it is clearly given that in the question x square plus y square it is given. It is entirely different from the previous sums. We were finding these values and x plus y, x minus y were given, but in this question x square plus y square given, xy given. So x plus y the whole square we are supposed to find, and also x minus y the whole square we are supposed to find. Okay, it is very clear that we want to use both the identities for finding this value. Okay, what is the solution here? So x plus y the whole square identity here is x square plus y square plus 2xy, that is using identity, right? So which is what? X plus y the whole square is x square plus y square, it is given that 34 plus 2 into, so that is xy here is 10 1 by 2, which is what? 21 by 2. Since 10 1 by 2 equal to 21 by 2, right? Given. Okay, 2 will get cancelled. 34 plus 21 here is 53 is the solution for this subdivision, which implies x plus y the whole square equals 53. So we can assume this as equation 1, right? Then x minus y the whole square, which is what? X square plus y square minus 2ab. So which is what? 34 minus 2 into xy here is 21 by 2. So which is equal to 34 minus 21 is 13, right? And we can assume this as equation 2. Then using 1 and 2. So 2 of x plus y the whole square plus x minus y the whole square equals 2 into x plus y the whole square here is 53. Then plus x minus y the whole square is 13. So which is equal to 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, 106 plus 13, which is equal to 119 is the solution for this particular question. Okay, there is a change in the 12th question, which is what? X plus y the whole square is 55. That is 34 plus 21 is 55. So here substituting the value 55, you will be getting 110. So 110 plus 13 here is 123, right? Okay, the next, what we are going to do here is a minus b equal to 3 it is given and ab equal to 4. So we are supposed to find a minus b it is given. So in a cube minus b cube formula, we want a square plus b square solution. So for finding that 2, we are using this same with the previous identity, which is what? If a minus b is given, we will be using the identity a minus b the whole square equals a square plus b square minus 2ab. Using this identity, we found this a square plus b square. The same thing we are going to do here. So which implies that is 3 square equals a square plus b square minus 2 into ab here is 4. That is a square plus b square equals 3 square is 9. If you take this 2 4s are 8 to that side become plus 8, which is what? 17, right? That is a square plus b square equals 17. Then next, what we are going to do here is using the identity. Next we are going to find that is a cube minus b cube, which is what? A minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Only small change I have done the formula. The terms, if you interchange without any changing in the sign, we can interchange the terms as per the conditions, right? So here a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square you have studied. Here I am just change that b square to this side and ab to that side, because a square plus b square value we have 17, so we are going to substitute that value. So for that's why we have changed this terms place. Okay, so which is what? 3, a minus b is 3, which is given. Then a square plus b square is 7. Then plus ab here is 4. So which is equal to 3 into 17 plus 4 here is 21, which is equal to 63. So therefore a cube minus b cube is equal to 63 is the solution. Clear? Very simple, easy and important. Next question. If 2a minus 3b equals 3 and ab equals 2, we have to find the value of 8a cube minus 27b cube. The previous model, the last video what we have seen. 2a is a cube of 8a cube and 3b is a cube of 27b cube. So very simple, same like this. But here the coefficients are given. So a cube minus b cube. Here a here is 2a and b here is 3b. We are supposed to find it. So before that we want to find the value of 2a square plus 3b square value. We need to find it for substituting that value. So first let us go with, here minus is given. So let 2a minus 3, let us find, okay. So let us find let us find 2a minus 3b the whole square. Here a is 2a and b is 3b, that is a minus b the whole square format we are going to do here, which is what? A square plus b square minus 2 into 2a into 3b. So which implies 2a minus 3b, here is 3 square, that is 2a the whole square. If we square this 2, it is 4, then a square plus 3, if we square it is 9, then b square, here minus 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. 12 into ab, here it is given the question itself, which is what? 12, and ab is this in the product, so we are writing that 2 there. So which is what? 9. This 12 into 2, 24 comes to this side, it becomes plus 24, which is equal to 4a square plus 9b square. So that is 4a square plus 9b square equals, that is 33 is the value. We are going to substitute this value in the next formula, right? So that is using identity, a cube minus b cube equals a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So which implies here a equals 2a, b equals 3b. So which implies 2a cube minus 3b cube equals 2a minus 3b into 2a square plus 3b square plus 2a into 3b, right? Using the identity, we are substituting a here as 2a and b here as 3b as per the given question. Okay, what is 2a cube? Which is what? 8a cube minus. What is 3b the whole cube? 3 cube is 27, then b cube we are writing. Here 2a minus 3b it is given in the question itself, which is what? 3, substituting the value here. Then 2a is, which is what? 4a square plus 9b square plus here 2 into 3 here 6ab. Okay, in the next step let us substitute the value here. 3 into 4a square plus 9b square, assume this as equation 1. So that value here is 33, then plus 6 into ab, it is given the question 2. So which is equal to 3 bracket 33 plus 12, that is 45 into 3, which is equal to 3 into 45, which is equal to 15 carry over 135. So therefore 8a cube minus 27b cube equals 135, right? The next question is question number 15. If x plus 1 by x equals 4, we have to find the value of x squared plus 1 by x squared, then second subdivision x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, then third subdivision x cube plus 1 by x cube, then the fourth subdivision x minus 1 by x, right? So lot of subdivisions, but the concept is only one thing, only one term given, we are supposed to find the solution for all this. So if you are clear with the given idea, that is what is given, then it will be easy for us to solve this sum. Clear? Okay, so let us find the solution from the given. So given x plus 1 by x equal to 4, right? equals to, that is identity, right? Okay. So x plus 1 by x, it is what given 4 square equals x square plus 1 by x square plus 2, right? Bring that to this side. This is 4 square is 16 minus 2, which is equal to x plus 1 by x square, which implies x square plus 1 by x square equals 14. This is the solution of the first subdivision which we have found, right? Very simple, right? Only one identity. Substituting those values, bringing the unknown to taking the unknown to one side and bring the known to the other side. Very simple, it's easy. The next second subdivision, what we are going to do here is x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, right? So very simple. And this can be written as x squared the whole square plus 1 by x squared the whole square, right? So we are going to use here the a, b, alright? That is, this can be written as, for finding this value, this can be written as, here a equals x square, b equals 1 by x square. So a plus b the whole square can be written as a square plus b square plus 2. That is ab will get cancelled, no? The same thing only. That is 2ab. Here it will get cancelled, right? Okay. So what is x square plus 1 by x the whole square? This is what 14 square, right? 14 square equals x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2. This is 196. Bring the 2 to this side. It will become plus 2, which is equal to x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. So which implies x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 equals 198, which is the solution of the second subdivision, right? Then next third subdivision, very simple. You all are very familiar with this, which is what the Q formula, right? So further we are doing the Q formula. For the first 10 terms we have used only square formulas. Then later we are using cube x power 4, then plus minus all this x square plus y square, all this we are using here. Okay, third one here, x cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay, this is the form a cube plus b cube. So the formula here is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab, using a cube plus b cube identity, using a cube plus b cube identity. A here is x, b here is 1 by x, right? Okay. So x plus 1 by x, it is given the question which is what 4. Then x square plus 1 by x, which is for the first subdivision solution. Then minus here 1. So which is equal to 4 into 13. That is equal to 4 3s are 12, carry over and 4 so 4 52, which implies x cube plus 1 by x cube equals 52 is the solution. The next fourth subdivision, the same thing what we are going to do here is x minus 1 by x the whole square, which is what x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. So which is equal to, using the first one, 14 minus 2 equal to 12. So which implies x minus 1 by x the whole square equals, this 12 can be written as 4 3s are 12, right? Then taking cube root, taking square root, we get, that is root of x minus 1 by x square equals root of 4 into 3, which is equal to 2 root 3 plus or minus 2 root 3. So which implies this root and square will get cancelled. X minus 1 by x solution is plus or minus 2 root 3. Only this last subdivision is little bit complicated to find the solution alone, not in the formula, right? These are the solutions of these 4 subdivisions, right? Okay. Then we will go to the next question. The next question is question number 16. The question is, if x minus 1 by x equals 5, find the value of x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. This is very clear. It is same with the previous sum. So you can do it as homework, but no problem. Let me do it. Okay. So here x minus 1 by x is given. So we are going to use identity x minus 1 by x the whole square, which is what x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. This is the identity, right? You know very well this identity. Okay. The x minus 1 by x, which is what 5 square. Then bring this minus 2 to. Okay, next step we can bring that 2. So we can write here this one. So 25 minus 2 comes to the side, it will become 25 plus 2, which is equal to 27. X square plus 1 by x square equals 27. Okay, we are going to use this one in this. Okay, what we are going to do here is, we are going to assume let x equals x square and 1 by x is equal to 1 by x square. So which implies using x square a minus b the whole square, that is a plus only it is given here a plus b, we are having a plus b, so no problem. So a plus b the whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Okay, that x is equal to x square and 1 by x is equal to 1 by x square we are using. So this will get cancelled. So here using this, we are substituting this value. 27 square equals x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2. Okay, which is what 289 minus 2, which is equal to x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. So which implies x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 equals 287. Okay, I thought of this is 17, so this is 27 square, no. So which is what 27 square here is, that is, which is what, see here the easiest way for multiplying the square number here is 7 7s are 49, you put and 2 2s are 4, then 7 2s are 14, 14 and 2 is 28, if you write that one, that is what the easiest way of calculating the square number, right? So if you write that one, that is 729 minus 2, you will be getting. So which implies that is 729 minus 2 here, 727 is the solution. Okay, be careful in doing the calculation. Here I thought that is 17, so 27 it is. So 27 square is 729, then the plus 2 comes to the side, will minus 2, the solution becomes 727. Okay. The next question is, if x minus 1 by x equal to root 5, we have to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So we are going to use this formula here, the same identity, which is what x minus, here x minus is given, means we have to use x minus 1 by x the whole square formula, which is what x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. So which implies root 5 the whole square equals x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. So root and 5 will get cancelled, then minus 2 comes to the side, it will become plus 2, which is what x square plus 1 by x square. So which implies x square plus 1 by x square equals 7. This is what the solution of the first subdivision. So here using identity, Okay, what we are going to find the next one, which is what x plus 1 by x, right? Okay, so we know that x plus 1 by x the whole square formula is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. So we do not know this one, x plus 1 by x. So we are by using the first subdivision answer, we are going to substitute this as 7 plus 2, which is equal to 9. So x plus 1 by x the whole square equals 3 square. So taking square root, just use the short form of square, then square root, we get x plus 1 by x equals plus or minus 3 is the solution of the second subdivision. Right? Then the next one, the last subdivision of this particular question, which is what x cube plus 1 by x cube. That is in the form a cube minus a cube plus b cube. That is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. That is using identity. Using a cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab, where a equal to x, b equal to 1 by x. This identity only we are expanding this one. Okay, so we have found the value of x plus 1 by x as 1 plus or minus 3. Then x square plus 1 by x square, here it is 7. Then xx will get cancelled. This is minus 1. So plus or minus 3 into 6, which is equal to plus or minus 6 is 18. So which implies x cube plus 1 by x cube equals plus or minus 18 is the solution of this particular question. Clear? Right. Next, if x plus 1 by x equal to 6, we are supposed to find x minus 1 by x, also x square minus 1 by x square. The same concept is going on repeated. So no problem, let us go. So what is this plus only given? So we have to use the identity a plus b the whole square, which is what x plus 1 by x the whole square. The next question is 18. That is, we are going to use the identity x plus 1 by x the whole square equals x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Okay, x plus 1 by x value is given, which is what? This is identity. Okay, 6 square equals x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. So which is what given? That is 36. Bring that plus 2 to this side, this will become minus 2. So which implies x square plus 1 by x square equals 34. Okay, we are supposed to use this value in this for finding the x minus 1 by x term. So the first subdivision here is x minus 1 by x. We know the formula for x minus 1 by x the whole square. By using that we are finding x minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x the whole square is x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. This is also identity. So 34 minus 2, which is equal to 32, which is what? X minus 1 by x the whole square. So we can split this into 16 into 2. Okay. So that is x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 4 square into 2, right? This one we can write it as. So taking square root, we get x minus 1 by x equals 4 root 2. X minus 1 by x equal to 4 root 2, which is what? Plus or minus 4 root 2, which is the solution of this first subdivision. Very, very important, this one. Somewhat complicated. Okay, the second subdivision here is x square minus 1 by x square, which is what? X plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. That is using a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b identity, right? Okay. So which is what? X plus 1 by x, it is given in question 6, and x minus 1 by x we have found, which is what? Plus or minus 4 root 2. So which is what? 6 into 4, 24. That is plus or minus 24 root 2 is the solution of this x square minus 1 by x square, which is for the second subdivision answer. The next question is question number 19. If x plus 1 by x equal to 2, we have to prove that x square plus 1 by x square equals x cube plus 1 by x cube equals x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. Okay. So here what is the first one? We are supposed to find the value of this one, also value of this one, also value of this one. These three values are equal, then these three are equal. It is very simple to prove this one. Okay, what is given? Only from the given term only we are going to find this one. So that is x plus 1 by x. Okay, so x plus 1 by x means x plus 1 by x the whole square. For identity we are going to use. That is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. That is identity, right? So which implies 2 square equals x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. So which implies x square plus 1 by x square equals, that is 2 square is 4. Then bring this 2 to this side, it will become minus 2. So which implies x square plus 1 by x square equals 2. This is what the first result. Then next one here is x cube. Okay, that is x cube plus 1 by x cube. It is in the form using the identity a cube plus b cube. That is x plus 1 by x into x square plus 1 by x square minus x into 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x, it is given 2. Then x square plus 1 by x, we have found the answer. Then minus 1. So which is what? 2 into 1 here is 2. That is x cube plus 1 by x cube here is 2. Which is what? Second one. So this is first, this is second. Here using 1 and given, we have substituted the value. Then third one. That is x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. So which is equal to x square the whole square plus 1 by x square the whole square. So which implies a plus b the whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2. So which is what? X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2. X square plus 1 by x square, which is what? 2 square. Then here plus 2. So which implies that is x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 equals, that is, bring this 2 to this side, that is 4 minus 2 equals 2. So that is x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 equals 2, which is what? The third one. So 1 equals 2 equals 3, hence proved. So that is x cube plus 1 by x cube value is also 2, x square plus 1 by x square value is also 2, then x power 4 plus 1 by x power value is also 2. So therefore, you can write here at last x square plus 1 by x square equals x cube plus 1 by x cube equals x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 equals 2, right? They are not asking us the value, but these values are, which implies 2 equals 2 equals 2, right? Okay. Then the last question of this video. So 20th question, if x minus 2 by x equal to 3, we have to find the value of x cube minus 8 by x cube. So here this x cube is the cube of this x and 8 by x cube is the cube of this 2 by x cube. Okay. So let us find x minus 2x the whole square. So which is what? X square plus 2 by x square minus 2 into a into b, which is what? A here is x and b here is 2 by x. So this will get cancelled. So x minus 2x the whole square, this is 3 square, then here x square plus 4 by x square minus 4 you will be getting, that is 9 plus 4 equal to x square plus 4 by x square implies x square plus 4 by x square equals 13. Okay, using this we want to find the next one, which is what? X minus 2x the whole x cube minus 2x cube. The formula here is a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b into a square plus b square plus 2ab. We are going to use this one, that is a cube, this, that is x cube minus 8 by x cube equals x minus 2 by x is given, which is what? 3. Then this is what? X square plus 4 by x square, then x will get cancelled 4, so which is equal to 3 into, using this 1, 13 plus 4, which is equal to 3 into 17, that is 7 3 is 21, balance 2, 51, right? Using 1, we have substituted this one and we got the solution, which is what? X cube minus 1 by x cube equals 51 is the solution. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box. Please share and subscribe I Love Math YouTube channel. Thank you.